In today's video, we're going to make our own dry shampoo and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is an easy alternative to commercial dry shampoos due to its natural ingredients. When I straighten my hair, this dry shampoo extends its life through its amazing moisture-absorbing abilities. Alright, let's get to it. Now, ingredients vary depending on the color of your hair. Choose one of the following recipes that best suits you. Brunette, 2 ounces of arrowroot powder, 2 ounces of cocoa powder. Blonde, 4 ounces of arrowroot powder. Red hair, 2 ounces of arrowroot powder, 2 ounces of cinnamon powder. Black hair, 2 ounces of arrowroot powder, 2 ounces of charcoal powder. We need 1 4-ounce glass mason jar. 2 ounces of arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder absorbs excess oil and possesses skin-soothing properties. 2 ounces of cocoa, arrowroot, cinnamon, or charcoal. It is important to note that amounts can be adjusted depending on the shade of your hair. Mix the ingredients of your preferred recipe in a bowl and stir. Again, you may adjust ingredient amounts to suit your personal hair color. Add mixture to 4-ounce glass mason jar. Apply mixture to roots of hair with a makeup brush. Allow about 2 hours for powder to absorb into hair before styling, or you can apply it the night before. Just ensure you cover your hair to protect your sheets. Remember, less is more. You can always apply more dry shampoo as needed. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool and dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.